Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna build a new gaming build, about $1,000 budget. Great for you guys. These are my parts. I'm gonna show you. It's basically a gaming computer only. So you got my 3570K i5. It's a quad core thing. You got my Ballistix, crucial 8GB. You got my Z77X UD3H by Gigabyte, obviously. Go fine print. And yeah, here we go. I got a SSD, 128GB by Samsung. The model is 830. Pretty decent. I also got another SSD. That other one, I don't know if I'll use it, but I just got it because it was a good deal. Got it for like $70. Okay. I got a DVD-ROM, Asus, standard. I got a Seasonic 750-watt modular power supply, PSU. Got a cheap, whatever, CPU cooler. Everyone knows this brand. Okay, Cooler Master H Hyper 21212 Plus. Also got a Gigabyte 7950 graphics card. This one comes with 3 AMD games free and 20% off discount Medal of Honor. Okay, the free games are Hitman, Absolution, Sleeping Dogs, and Far Cry 3. So if you're into gaming, like shooting games, definitely get 7950 or the 7970. It's up to you guys. And I got the case. Fractal design, Define R4. It's new, I heard it's new, it's good, and it's silent, perfect for you gamers. And yep, this is my build, and I will show you a clip of my computer, because I don't know if you guys want to see the build. It's kind of lame, or I should. It's gonna take a long time to edit, but I think I'll just show you the computer. If you guys want me to show you a build, just request one. Alright, see you later. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? So I just finished building the computer. Okay, here it is. I'm going to take some photos and put them on my website, so if you guys want to see my website later, yeah, check it out. Or I'll put it as an attachment. So, everything's running right now, as you can see. Just installed everything, plugged in my extra old hard drives. This is my old 640 Western Digital. Here's a extra as well. This one is my Samsung A30. It's a 128GB, and this is the main one, the Intel 180GB SSD. They're both SSD, and you can really hear the computer. Right? It's dead quiet. Maybe I'll get a flashlight. Hold on. Right. See, this is my graphics card right here. So everything's plugged in. The fans are running. The Hyper 22 Plus. Here's my memory, 8GB, dual channel kit. What's it called? This is my DVD drive. Sorry, I'm tired. Here's my Seasonic 750 watts modular. It's OK cable management, as you can see. Once I put the case back in, it'll probably be better. If you guys have any questions about this build, please feel free. Again, this is a $1,000 budget. If you guys want me to take pictures of the case, just tell me. Reviews of the case, tell me, or any of the parts, tell me. Here's the front. As you can see, it's a blue LED light. Open it from the side right here. I think I have something in the DVD-ROM right now. Let me see. Yeah, I just put in Diablo 3. I'm gonna install that later. I'm already updating StarCraft 2, so it might take a while. So yeah, that's the front of the case. And here's the back cable management. I'm gonna close this. Here's what the back looks like. It's pretty bad. Well, obviously, I tried to tie things up, but what else? There's a lot of cables that come with the case, so these are the cables that come with the case right here on itself. So this is from the power supply and stuff, as you know. These are my SATA cables. So yeah, those two SSDs are in SATA 3. And yeah, it's running really smooth. Boots up in like 10 seconds. Everything installed smoothly. No problems yet so far. It's been like a whole day already. It's really quiet. I'm really surprised. Even the DVD-ROM is not that bad as well. Usually I used to have an LG, which was dead. I mean, which was like loud as hell. But yeah, as you remember, this is the Gigabyte 7950 with Windforce. Tomorrow I'm gonna, or whenever my sound card comes, I just got one, the new model Sound Blaster. I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah, by Creative. I got it for 89 bucks on Black Friday. Hope it sounds good. Gonna put it there on the PCI Express. I don't know if I might crossfire. Don't know yet. I think this is enough for 1080p, honestly. If I crossfire, probably need like, 3 monitors, which is better, of course. But I don't have any desk space. But yeah, right now I'm in. As you can see, I'm updating the StarCraft 2. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. See you later, guys. Peace.